So this drawing, you can use the following commands. Units, to set the units, whether should be drawn in inches, feet, or in millimeters. Limits, zoom and pan. Circle, radius or diameter option, or circle, tangent, tangent radius option. And editing commands like trim, extend and lengthen we can use. For drawing the circle, 6 circles with the taking the yellow line as center, so the polar array can be used. And basic copy and move commands you can use. And changing the line color, line properties, you can use Bylayer, Dimcenter, dimension style and dimension commands. So in this drawing, all the dimensions are in mm. So first step is to read the drawing, understand the drawing, and mark the salient dimensions, take the notes, then it is easy to draw. Your final output should be look like this. So the highlighted points are needed. So find out the coordinates of these points while drawing, then we can start the drawing. Thank you. So this drawing can be approached by initially setting the limits as mentioned in the previous video. So for easy understanding, I have shown the previous picture. So the important step is to highlight the 4 circles, center of the 4 circles. So by reading the drawing dimensions, you can identify the center of the circle, position of the circle as in x-axis here 94 and y-axis here 114. So you can use rectangle command. So I'm drawing here at in x-axis 94 and y-axis it is 114. So this position is done. Now we can draw the circle, and here we have diameter. I have 12. So once this circle is done, I can go for copy command. So copy. So it is asking for select the objects. Right click. So it is asking for the base point. So this is the base point. So I can pick it here. I can pick it here and here. So the 4 things are done. And once this position is done, this line is not needed, so we can delete it. Now we can draw the circle of radius 14. Circle from here for 14. Similarly, here 14. 14. Here I will draw the 14. Now draw the line from this node to this node. You can draw this line. Similarly, from this node to this node, you can draw this. Then you can draw the circle, center of circle, by drawing the midpoints. So you can select the midpoint here and select the midpoint here. From this midpoint of this line, I can draw the 3 symmetric circles, whatever I needed in the command. So the circle diameter is 85. So we pick the center midpoint of the line. So diameter option I meant in D, 85. The circle is drawn, and 2 more circles. Sorry, 2 more circles I should draw. 84, 85. Then diameter 32. Circle. And the same center point. Diameter 32 is drawn. So 32 is drawn, 85 is drawn, and diameter 62. Circle. Diameter 62 is drawn. So this circle is the array circle. So I can select it. I can control the properties and go for line size, line type. It is center. The center line is not visible, so you can select it, right click it, go for properties and select the line type scale as 5, some suitable scale. I think now it's okay. Now we want to draw the circle, smaller circle at the node point of the yellow circle. So the diameter is 14. It's drawn now. Now I can zoom it. So I draw the line from the node of this circle to node of this circle. Then I can zoom and enter. So now I want to go for offset command. So the total distance is 8. So offset, I can go for distance 4 on either sides. So I can zoom it. I can click it, and which side you need, that side you can pick it. So this is the offset command. Now while zooming it and see, you can see these two lines are not touching the circle. So I can use extend command, extend, right? It is asking for the boundaries. So I can select it and cancel extend. It is asking for I can select the boundaries. I can select the things what the line to extend. Now all the lines touching the circle. Then I can go for zoom enter. Now I want to trim the unwanted parts. So TRIM. Right. I am selecting this two lines as the cutting edge. Right click it, and I am removing the part what I have not needed. So this part is not needed. This part is also not needed. Now the center line is also not needed, so you can delete it. Now we can for zoom enter. Now I want to array this circle with the two lines. So array, enter. So I go for polar array. I'm selecting the objects. I can zoom it. I can select this point alone through the window option. Right click it after selecting. So see here 3 objects are selected. So 3 objects means one is the circle, another is 2 lines. So I can go for the center point of the array, polar array. So you can fix it center. Then you can see total number of items you needed. So total number of items is 6. Check it, which should be filled for 360 degrees. So you can go for preview. So you can check it. Once it's correct, you can right click it for confirmation. So this thing is drawn. Then I want to trim it. So again I want to use TRIM command. Right. And by right clicking it, it is defaultly, it takes all the edges as cutting edges. Now I want to select what are things I don't need. Can select this, select this, select this, this, this. So I think it's completed now. Now we can select this center line is not needed now. Can delete it. I think it's at around 60 to 70% completed. Now I want to draw this arc. This arc is of radius 12. So which option we can use this? You can use the circle TTR. So you can use circle tangent radius. So this is the tangent of first tangent. This is the second tangent, and radius is 12. So you can draw this. Similarly, you can call the same command circle TTR. So this is the first tangent. This is the second tangent, and radius is 12. Similarly, you can use for all the sides. Circle tangent radius. This is the first tangent. This is the second tangent. Radius is 12. Similarly, same option. Circle TTR. First option, first tangent, second tangent, radius is 12. So all the things are drawn now. Now I want to remove the remaining part of the arc. So I can use TRIM command, enter, and select the cutting edges, all the cutting edges, shortcut you can select, right click and remove the unwanted parts. So this thing is not needed now. not needed, and not needed. So I think drawing is completed now. Now for marking the center mark, you can use Dimcenter, Dimcenter. Dimcenter. Enter it. Select the arc. It is asking selecting arc or circle. You can mark this. Right. Similarly, for all the circles or arc, you can mark the Dimcenter. The previous command can be recalled by pressing the space bar. Right. It's more or less completed now. Check it. Yeah. Now we can go for the dimensions. You can go for annotate. Under dimension, you can find aligned option. So I can pick center CEM of center of this circle to center of this circle. I can pick it, I can get it. Similarly, I can use the same command. Center of circle, center of this circle to center of this circle. Pick it, I can get 1 and 4. Similarly, I can use dimension radius for the arc. One more thing, trim I want to cut. Similar dimension, align, and zoom it. Take this point and this point. Similarly, you can use same things, diameter option. For the remaining circles, you can use. Right. So here I want to dimension for these 4 holes. So you can go for dimension, diameter, select the circle. So now right click it, go for M text. Now I want to draw 4 holes, diameter 12, then go for close text editor. Now I can fix the dimension anywhere. So the drawing is completed now. Thank you.